Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for April 12th, 2018. For your Thursday, we're going to have an area low pressure moving through the eastern Great Lakes. It's going to continue off to our north. Some of that precipitation will be far enough south and will clip some of our areas with an isolated shower this morning. This actually is bringing in warm air by passing in this direction. So this is the area low pressure moving almost due east, and we're on the warmer side of this. We're getting warm air drawn to this. This is the first of 3 days that will be warmer once these morning clouds and maybe the isolated shower in some spots passes. We will see the sun this afternoon, and the surge of warmth will continue. This high pressure will become an important player over the next 2 days. It's going to slide a little bit eastward, become a Bermuda high, and that's going to really get these temperatures cranking for both Friday and Saturday. So let's take you through this. This is going at they're looking at this morning. Once we get to the afternoon and that system passes off north again, you're going to have clouds decreasing this afternoon. You'll see the sun increase, and the system will continue off to the east and out of the picture. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off early in the morning and see some showers across central Pennsylvania. And then as we continue through the morning hours, you can see that those isolated showers moving eastward. It's going to look like a very weak line coming across here, just very widely scattered. And then that moves off the coast by early afternoon across far eastern areas. And again, once that passes, the surge of warmth comes in here and the sun comes out. So it will be probably in the 60s today. I think you get down to down in these areas right here where I'm circling. You probably get to the 70-degree mark today, just because we're going to have more sun and less clouds to deal with, and that's going to clear sooner. So clearing from southwest to northeast today with those clouds, and then that's out of here. So the next couple of days we're going to turn much warmer. We're going to have a warm front that's going to be in association with this system well off the picture. It's way out here. It's going to be our rainmaker when we come to the point of Monday, basically Sunday night, Monday. That will be affecting our region. But the warm front associated with this is actually extended well out to the east. And there will be some clouds, I think, very early on in the morning. So maybe when you first wake up in the morning, you could have some cloudiness around until this front lifts off to the north. There's not a lot of moisture with it. We can't rule out a stray shower, but it probably stays dry in most areas. This is very light. And this is early Friday morning. Again, once that clears, Bermuda high set up, you're going to get that surge of warmth coming in from the southwest, and we're going to get temperatures really cranking both Friday, which is shown here, and then we can see the front moving off to the north here on Friday afternoon, which is what I'm showing you now. It's well off to the north across New York State, and then once we get into Saturday, it remains up there, and we stay very warm because we had nothing abating the temperatures whatsoever. So let's get over those temperatures real quick. This is what we're looking at on Friday, of course, after the very early morning clouds clear. You're talking about generally mid-70s for most locations, some upper 70 readings here expected on Friday. And once we get to Saturday, we're going to get into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees in some spots. So it'll be the warmer of the 2 days Saturday, but another partly cloudy day, and nothing in the way of precipitation to speak of. Now, once we get to Sunday, it's very interesting. Going back to the globals here, we have a backdoor cold front that's going to push down from New England. Now, we talked about this yesterday. And there's a high pressure off to the east, even though this cold front, which is going to affect us Sunday night and Monday, is still well out here. No precipitation with that. But out ahead of this, with this backdoor cold front, you're going to see some spotty showers pop up here on Sunday. It's going to be mainly in the afternoon hours, but there's also a backdoor cold front that's going to come down like this. Now, this is not as aggressive on the model guidance as it was shown yesterday. If you saw the video yesterday, this backdoor cold front came very far to the south, all the way down to about here. That is no longer the case, and only gets it to northern New Jersey, northeast PA, maybe the Lehigh Valley. Elsewhere, you're on the warm side of that front, but you're still going to be dealing with showers regardless, so it's not going to be like it's going to be a great day necessarily. You still have the opportunity for a pop-up shower at any time during the day on Saturday along that frontal boundary. And again, going back to the temperatures, here's Saturday. Here's a look at Sunday. Okay, you can see where that backdoor front is. It's situated right about here, and so that does get most of northern New Jersey, northeast PA, and maybe the Lehigh Valley. You go just south of that front. Here's Allentown, 53 it has for a temperature here on Sunday afternoon, and just 30 miles to the southwest of Reading, it's 65. So you're going to see a temperature gradient like that wherever that front sets up, and even further south, like Lebanon here is 71 degrees, 74 in Harrisburg, 75 in Philly. Very warm temperatures down in these areas on the opposite side of the front, but very chilly up here, upper 40s, in fact, up across extreme northern New Jersey, maybe Pike County, Monroe, Poconos, places like that. But in the low to mid 50s, it's showing here for the middle section. Now, it's going to be very difficult to pinpoint exactly where this is going to be, and you can see over the last couple of days what I've done with these different images has showed you It was very aggressive yesterday, coming all the way down here, or maybe even beyond that, and now it's starting to come back up here like this. Any shift slightly this way or this way will determine what your high temperature will be on Sunday. And I will tell you that there is no forecast, not ours or any app forecast or TV forecast, that is going to nail a high temperature exactly for Sunday. It's nearly impossible, just because we don't know how far this front moves out to the southwest, and that's going to make it very difficult along that boundary. I mean, if you're down here, pretty easy forecast. If you're up here, seems like a pretty easy forecast. These middle grounds right here, so Lehigh Valley up into parts of western northeast PA and across central New Jersey, maybe even southern New Jersey. We have to watch that very closely because it's going to determine and dictate what the temperatures will be on Sunday. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Not a really great day regardless, mostly cloudy. Showers move in, get more numerous during the evening on Sunday, and then late Sunday night into early Monday, we have this batch of rain coming through that could give you over an inch of rain in a very short amount of time, maybe a 6-hour period or so of rain where it's heavy. And that's going to go into Monday morning, and then the afternoon we start to clear out. You can see that here, maybe just a leftover shower during the afternoon, but for the most part, the heavy rain has passed and has made it up into England at this point. So that is the end of that system. And behind this, we're going to remain mostly cloudy on Tuesday. I do think you're going to get away from the showers part of it, though, just mostly cloudy with those clouds hanging around in association with that same system and some wraparound here. But I do think your turn, again, by the time we get to Wednesday, we're going to get even warmer. As another system is moving in from the west, this is going to drive warm air out ahead of it, and that warm air drawn ahead of it will get temperatures up for one day at least on Wednesday of next week, but it will be partly cloudy Wednesday, maybe some showers with that system Wednesday night and Thursday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for April 12th, 2018.